Part 2 of the video here at Syracuse. What you have is, again, this is a danger. You're gonna need a metal block here to stop us from getting it, and usually the electric company will put in a free cowling over there to stop anybody from getting electrocuted. Look at all the rust jacking here. That needs to be dealt with. Original hardware there. Welded connections need to be bolted so that we can avoid having to either x-ray or load test any of these welds. The grating from below and the grating above is the same thing. Rust jacking happening here. Once you change it, seal it up. Rust jacking here, look, the head is here, shaft is gone, the nut is there, shaft is gone, the nut is there, the head is there, and the nut is still on the other side. So this is what happens with rust jacking. You know, it basically just eats everything, and you have a false connection here. So going down, the fire escape does slide down. We do put a release arm on here so that either a chain lock or a release lock, so that it's single action requiring no special knowledge. She needs to be balanced perfectly. New cable. This is all bad. This is probably original. Okay, that weight box must be controlled in a box, so that in case there's a failure, the box stays inside a control box, and the release arm don't let the ladder fall because the chain holds that. So in case there's a cable failure, you're not going to get a guillotine effect here. Okay, so everything else is same as above. We have grading. We have some cement holes, as you can see there. So those need to be addressed. Silicone shell. We need to verify this through load test, or if we verify the connections on the inside, or we re-verify the connections that are solid going back into the building, then there's no need for a load test. Again, change all the bolts, no load test. Spot repair the bolts, you need to load test. So if you want to leave behind original hardware that's in good order, such as this bolt, it's still in good order, right? There's the head, there's the shaft, there's the nut. We got to load test it. Change that out now. Silicone shut this whole thing. There's no load test needed. Okay. So fire escape does not pass inspection. Has too many issues. All original hardware and no evidence of any maintenance. As you can see, bolt's gone. Rust is still there, and you can put your finger through all the way. This is same thing here. Rust, bolt's gone. So some of these, you know, some of them might have shown up with a quick weld. So any welded corner, you put a gusset in there and you bolt it. There's no need for a load test. Any questions? Fire escape engineers inspect the summary video. 866-649-0333.